Hello my friends, Hank here with a quick announcement video for you guys. This weekend I'm going to be giving a live painting demonstration. The good folks over at the Scale Modelers Association of Saskatoon have invited me to present at their annual Modelpalooza event. I've learned a little bit about the event. It sounds like an awesome time. The group rents a big space where folks from all over the area can get together and work on models for the whole weekend. It's a pretty cool idea, Raj, huh? Unfortunately, I won't be making the trip to visit my Canadian friends in person, but that actually kind of works out for all of you guys out there in YouTube land. I'm going to be recording the session and sharing it on here next week, so if you'd like to check it out, you're going to be able to. Now, what am I going to be doing? The guys in the organizing committee asked if I do a little figure painting tutorial, so that is exactly what we're going to do. I'm going to take the group through my figures made easy process on a 1/35 scale US World War II tanker, and I think it's going to be a blast. So if you're going to be at Modelpalooza, I can't wait to do some virtual painting with you guys on Saturday. And everybody else, stay tuned to the channel here for the recording, and I'm going to post that as soon as I can. A huge thank you to the kind folks of the Scale Modelers Association of Saskatoon for the invite. And until next time, my friends, be well, happy building, cheers.